Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to blur text in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, go to a blank page. Then go to the Tools section and select the Frame Text tool and draw a text frame. Then paste or write anything to this text frame. Then select this text, click and drag on our mouse, or otherwise double click, then change the text color or apply another color. Now I am select the red color and applying the bold effect. Now we want to make blur to this text, select the move tool. Then click right button on our mouse to this text box. Then go to the layer effect option. And we can see here open a layer effect window. Then we go to the Gaussian blur option and check mark on this. Then increase the radius to this Gaussian blur. And we can see we make blur this text very easily. You can increase the blur, otherwise you can decrease this. Then click close option. Now we can see we make text blur very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.